Allah says in the Holy Quran, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. I didn't create the jinns and the human beings, but just for my worship. Just for my worship. Allah says, I have just created the human beings and the jinns just for my worship. But there is tragedy of the Muslim of this era, especially I am saying to the Muslim students. Muslim students think about their settlement. They will, if they get their degree, they will settle. If they get job, they will settle. If they get their marriage time, their marriage moment, they will settle. If they marry, their if it will be their goodness, they will settle. And when their children will born, their life will be settled. But this role of spending a life is wrong, exactly wrong. You should have to adopt the rule of the Holy Quran. وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. Allah didn't create you, but His worship. If you just think about your family, just think about your personality, think about your degree, just think about your job. These are not rules. These are not rules for settlement of your life. If you spend your life on just these rules and on that moment, and when you reach their last bed rest, you think at that moment that these rules were wrong. We were running on wrong rules. These were just formalities to pass our just 50 years. We can say 50 days, 50 hours, 50 minutes. And we think at that moment these were also just 50 minutes, not 50 years. If we run on these rules, just settlement on job, just settlement on degree, just settlement on our marriage, just on our belly, we should fulfill our belly. These are not rules. At that moment, you shall think, you shall say, I was running, I was walking on wrong paths. My path was وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. But right now, I have nothing. But before coming of that moment, we should think about this settlement. Allah, I pray to Allah, may He give us a power of His worship, of power to run on His rules, on His path.